What's the meaning of bumptious? Bumptious. Bumptious.
Bumptious. Bumptious. Bumptious means self-assertive or conceited in an irritating way. A person who is bumptious is often overconfident and boastful, displaying a lack of consideration for others. This attitude can lead to conflict and strained relationships, as bumptious individuals tend to be insensitive to the feelings and opinions of others. In the workplace, a bumptious employee may disrupt team dynamics and hinder productivity. However, some people may view bumptiousness as a positive trait in certain contexts, such as entrepreneurship, where assertiveness and self-promotion are valued. Overall, while bumptiousness may have its advantages, it is generally seen as a negative quality that can create problems in personal and professional relationships.